This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Beautiful 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 3,550 square foot custom-built brick home just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches located in the sought-after Princess Anne Hills neighborhood. Wonderful floor plan with many gorgeous updates including a new chef's kitchen, living room and family room, both with fireplaces, in-law suite with separate entrance, bonus office, first floor recreation room, updated primary bathroom, lovely hardwood floors throughout and spacious walk-in attic, inviting screen porch overlooking the manicured lawn garage, oversized driveway and all new windows complete this home. For more information, review the details below.